Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this poop emoji neon sign. I'm actually doing a DIY tutorial by the Sorry Girls and I thought I'd give it a try and see how it turned out. And it turned out pretty good. I'll show you what it looks like with the lights off as well. It looks pretty cool. So if you want to see how to do that, just keep on watching and I'll make sure to link the original video below so you can check that out too. Okay, so I'm taking you into my bathroom to show you the final product, which is right here. Oops. Little poop emoji above the toilet. And this battery pack has a button here and it has a couple settings. You can do like a flashing poop, rave poop, and then you can turn it off. Okay, so these are the things you're gonna need. First of all, I just prepped my surface with like a vinyl sheet so that I don't wreck my nice wooden table. And then I also ordered this L wire from Amazon. I'll link it below. It's pretty cheap, less than $10, I believe. And you want to make sure that you get one with a battery pack. I also bought this wire from Home Depot. It was in the red color, but it looked pink to me, so it works. And then also some crazy glue. You'll also need this floral foam block, and you can shove it in a plant holder to make sure your thing sticks. Lastly, you'll need a design just so you can grab that wire and shape it around your design. So I drew this poop emoji, and now I'm going to grab my wire, start from the bottom, leaving enough to push into the foam block, and then I'm gonna follow my design. My wire is a thicker gauge, so it's tough to move around. I even asked for my husband's assistance at one part, but I'm gonna fast forward through this because it can be a little boring. Okay, so now that I have the shape, I'm just grabbing my crazy glue and I'm going to go a little bit by a little bit, place some crazy glue, and then put the wire on top of the other wire, or the light on top of the wire. And then I started by using my fingers and was getting my fingers stuck together. So I later started using actually the plastic container that the crazy glue came in. I just grabbed that and would place it on top of the L wire until it dried, and then I'd move on to the next bit and do the same thing. And when you're done, you just want to cut off the end, and there's a cap on the very end that you can reattach to the end that you just cut off, but the cap wouldn't come off for me, so I just left it fully open and it was fine. So for the last step, I cut my floral foam block into a shape to fit into my pot or planter, whatever you have, and then I just stuck the wire poo right inside, and then I just grabbed some filler paper. I later swapped this out for some fabric I had because it held it up a little bit better, but whatever you had, just put it around so that the wire is more stable. Well, that's it for today. I hope you liked my neon sign. If there are any DIY tutorials or letting tutorials that you want me to try on my channel, I'd be more than happy to. Just let me know in the comments below.